Dr.Morepen Pulse Oximeter model PO12A includes a pulse oximeter, 2 AAA batteries, a cord to hang the pulse oximeter, an instruction manual. Firstly, slide and open the battery compartment given at the back of the pulse oximeter. Properly install the batteries provided with the pulse oximeter in the compartment and then close it. Rest for at least 5 minutes before using the pulse oximeter. And remove nail polish or false nails if any. Now, place the pulse oximeter on the index finger of your left hand. The oximeter will turn on automatically. During measurement, do not move your fingers or hand and do not speak. For correct measurement, wait for at least 30 seconds for the reading to stabilize. If lying down while measuring, then keep your hand by your side and not over your body. During measurement, do not move your fingers or hand and do not speak. During measurement, press the pulse oximeter button to change the display mode of the screen as per your convenience. The pulse oximeter will turn off automatically once the finger is removed from the oximeter. Dr.Morepen Pulse Oximeter is light, simple, easy to use and accurate.